Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Npm Node Package Manager. Npm is the standard package manager for nodeJs. It manages downloads of dependencies of your project. It is bundled with the node.js, so you don't need to download it separately. Now let me close the file, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and I have here folder or source folder node.js tutorial, and I'm gonna open a terminal from here, new terminal. By the way, if you need to learn more about Visual Studio Code and all of these stuffs, you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Now to install a package, just type in here npm install and the package name, let's say upper-case, and this package actually transforms the string to uppercase, and hit enter, and now it's installing. And notice that npm created a couple of files and folders here. This node_modules, package-lock.json, package.json. I'll get back here in a little bit. Let me get rid of it for now. Now there are two types of installation, a local installation and global installation. When we ran this command npm install uppercase, it installed the package uppercase in our source folder. It created a folder named node_modules. If I drop it down, you see uppercase folder here. And you can also install any of the package globally, and just by typing here npm install with the flag -g and the package name upper-case, and this command or this flag will install the package globally. And I'm not gonna install it globally, and if you wanna know the global location, type npm root-g, hit enter, and that shows your module's global location. In my case, it's C users app roaming npm node_modules. You can also update all of your packages with the command. Let me clear the console with the cls command and type in here npm update. It will update all of your packages, and you can also update any specific package just by npm update and the package name. In our case, we can update upper-case, hit enter, and it will update this specific package that we defined here. Now let's talk about how you can use your packages installed by npm, and for that I'm gonna create a new file in our source folder, and the name would be app.js, and here I'm gonna, let me get rid of it for now. I'm gonna type in here JavaScript code, and I'm gonna log hello world. Hit save, and let's open this in integrated terminal, and I'm gonna type in here node app.js, hit enter, and it says hello world. And right now this text is not capitalized, so we installed a package uppercase through which we can capitalize any of the string. Let's type in here, and to import any of the package you install, you'll need require function. So I'm gonna create a variable here with the UC, short for uppercase, equals, and you can name it whatever you like. And I'm gonna type in here require function parenthesis under quotes, I'm gonna call uppercase and semicolon. Sorry, let me add t here, And then let's capitalize this text. Just type in here UC dot, and I'm gonna call in here the uppercase function, and let's surround it with the parentheses and hit save. Let's type here node app.js and hit enter. Now our text is capitalized because of this package that we installed. So this is how you can use or import any of the package you installed. And when we installed a package, npm created this node_modules folder as well as this package-lock.json and package.json, these two files. Now let's discuss about this package.json first. Let's open this file, and we don't have much detail in this file, and let me show you another file extracted from a sample Vue.js application. I think it's on my desktop. Let's open this file with VS Code. Alright, here is package.json. Now all npm packages contain this package.json file, usually in the project root called package.json. This file holds various metadata relevant to the project or your application. If you hover over any of the elements of this file, you'll notice the tooltip pops up that describes it. In our case, this name, the name of the package. You can change it as well as per your requirement. Then we have this version. Version must be parsable by nodeSemver, which is bundled with npm as a dependency. Then we have this description. This helps people discover your package as it's listed in npm search. Then this is one of the most important element of this file. The main field is a module ID, that is the primary entry point of your program application. Then we have private. If set to true, the npm will refuse to publish it. Then we have scripts. The scripts member is an object hash of script commands that are run at various times in the lifecycle of your package. Right now we have webpack and start, unit, test, lint, build. Then we have dependencies and dev dependencies. Here we have dependencies specified with a simple hash of package name to version range, as we have installed in our package.json uppercase. And we also have dev dependencies, and these are the dependencies that you use for development purposes only. You don't package it in a production mode. Then we have engines and browsers list. Now let's recall the install command that we ran to install our uppercase. Let me open our terminal again and say if you want to install and add the entry to the package.json in this file as dev dependencies, you can use a flag here. Let's add this uppercase as dev dependency. I'm gonna type in here npm install the package name upper dash case dash dash save dash dev. Hit enter, and it installed uppercase as dev dependencies. Previously it was just dependency. Or if you want to install a package but don't want to add the entry to the package.json, what you can do is just type the command and add a flag here dash dash no dash save, and it will install the package, but it won't add the package to the package.json. Now we also have this package-lock.json, and let me get rid of it for now. Now this package-lock.json file is to keep track of the exact version of every package that is installed so that a product is 100% reproducible in the same way, even if packages are updated by their maintainers. Let me show you another thing. Let's come in here, and for now I'm gonna delete this modules folder. Alright, let me close these files for now. I'm gonna close this as well. Now you normally don't bundle the modules folder in the production mode because it reduces the size of your application. So what happens, just open our terminal here, and since we have package-lock.json in our source folder, what we can do, let me show you another thing first. If I run this file, or say this is the entry point of your application, just type in here node app.js. Right now we don't have any modules folder, or we don't have this module in our application right now. So if I hit enter, it gives us an error, module not found. So to deal with that issue, what you can do is just type in here npm install, and this command will install all of the packages which are mentioned here in our package-lock.json. Notice that we don't have any modules folder right now. Just hit enter, and it created the node_modules folder. And if I drop it down, now you see uppercase has been installed. And now if I, let me clear this screen, and now if I run our application, we don't have any error anymore. If you want to find all the locally installed packages, just type npm list command, and it'll show you all of the locally installed packages. In our case, we have uppercase 2.0.2. And if you want to find globally installed packages, just type in here npm list-g. Hit enter, and we haven't installed any global package now. And to see the top level packages, top level packages are those packages installed by you and listed in the package.json. So you can find them just by npm list-dept equals 0. Hit enter, and this command shows you all of the top level packages. You can also find the version of any specific package. Let me clear the screen first and type in here npm list upper-case and hit enter. So this is the version of this package that we have installed. Or if you want to find the latest version of any specific package, in this case uppercase, just type in here version as well and hit enter. Now this is let's clear the screen and type in here npm view upper-case version. Hit enter. There is a typo mistake. Version. Hit enter, and it shows you the latest version of this package. You can also install any of the version of any package, say if you want to install, but before that let me show you how you can view all the previous versions of any package. Just type in here npm view upper-case versions. To show all of its versions, hit enter, Sorry, I did not add s here. Now these are all the previous versions of this uppercase, and if you want to install just 1.0.3, just type in here npm install uppercase and add here at and the version you want to install, in this case 1.0.3. hit enter, and the package with the version 1.0.3 is installed. Let me show you. Uppercase with the version 1.0.3. You can also uninstall a package with the command. Let me clear the screen first, and if you want to uninstall this uppercase, just type in here npm uninstall or the package name, in our case upper-case. hit enter, and notice that all of the dependencies are gone. And if you click here package.json, this file is empty now. And that was all about npm. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.